Hello, my name is Joseph Gold, and I'm wanting to present this week's lesson on what I found out on commercial real estate. In the past, I've been studying a lot, excuse me, a lot on residential, and so this is my first time actually delving into commercial, and I found it quite fascinating. By definition of the commercial real estate is just solely for business purposes. This can range from gas stations to malls to hotels to any place where you are able to conduct your business. But please, this is it's not leased out for any purpose for your living space. The current situation that's going on in 2018, the current vacancy rates that we've been has been illustrated as office 12.5, industrial 8.1, retail is 12.2, and multifamily 6.1. To give a definition of what they would do for commercial and large, based off some of based off of based off what I have observed. Sorry, going back. What I've observed, excuse me, is that they're divided into two, small and large. Small is anything from 10,000 and below, and large again is 10,000 and above. But the small commercial is actually the predominant of all that is happens in the commercial real estate, consisting of 80%. This last year, well, this is just a finding from the 2017. There's a drop in in for buying is 13%. It's quite a bit, mostly because of hotel and retail. Large multifamily finished off in 2000 from 265 built, expected only to do 241,000, exceeding expectations for the year end. In 2018, they're expected is on the verge of doing the same, if not better. Both large and S cap rates are 6.9, so it's pretty consistent. Um, what are the future possibilities? I feel that the biggest, if you're going into commercial real estate, is the best right now is the multifamily dwellings. Whether you do like a duplex, triplex, or large apartment complex, it all are categorized real in the commercial real estate. I believe this is a good reason is because single family homes are getting out of price of people coming into the workforce, so therefore they're being forced to rent, and therefore they need a space. So that why not invest into a place where people need retail space? I feel like is a poor way to invest because in 2016 the people had recorded that 80% of people had bought stuff that they would have bought at brick and mortar. Now, it doesn't mean everything is being bought at online versus than at the brick and mortar stores, but you're seeing a trend that less and less businesses are going to the malls and setting up shop where they can do it online and get the presence there because of the convenience factor and the cost. Office space will be needed, not in big cities. I think if you're going to be investing more into it, I think you need to find smaller cities. I know like Amazon is moving to smaller cities such as Indianapolis, and I would not invest into large cities like New York or San Francisco because of the expense. Uh, More and more people are investing into American-made products, so therefore the industrial sector of the commercial real estate will be increasing. Um, Other observation, why is commercial real estate a good investment? Tenants are locked for 36 to 60 months, less maintenance expense, less competition, better return on investment, and good cash flow. And all in all, I think this is a great, a great way if you want to start in the real estate. It has great potential. And there's my bibliography. Thank you.